How to make shipping address phone number a required field in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. This is because by default, Shopify has this the shipping address phone number as a not required field, so people can actually skip it, and you won't be able to actually get their phone numbers. This could be very important for specific locations where most of the contacts is going to be through mobile. So if you really want to make it a required field, it's very simple to do. You simply just want to go to your Shopify admin and click on the settings tab on the bottom left corner. Once you click on settings, you simply just want to find the checkout option here with the cart icon. Simply click on that. And you're going to be able to find right away customer information. This is going to be the different fields that are available for the checkout. And we're just going to find the shipping address phone number. It's going to be don't include by default. We simply just want to click on that and toggle it to become required. We also have the optional button here, which we can set up, but we want it to be required. So we just want to click on this and make sure you click on save. But you also have more information here that you can feel free to set up if you would like. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. And we are pretty much good to go. So this basically makes it so that people, when they actually check out, they are required to add their shipping address phone number. They can't skip it anymore, and you're going to be able to contact them now easily. With that being said, this is pretty much all you need to do to make the shipping address phone number required. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.